Hi, this is Professor Sunil Maheshwari. The objective of this video is to explain you how the personal professionalism rubric data needs to be collected by the students, and then it has to be uploaded on the D2L Dropbox by the students. So personal professionalism has been identified as one of the objectives for completing the BS in accounting program. This lays out how the personal professionalism rubric data needs to be collected. Students are required to participate in professional events that takes place throughout the university, especially by Eberly College of Business and the Career and Professional Development Center. It will account for 5% of the final grade in advanced accounting class, that is Accounting 401, for all accounting majors. What we will look at, step one would be to look at the level of achievements, and this will give an overview or the criteria. The next table two gives a list of qualified events or the table, and what are the events that students can attend to get the point. They will also fill out. So for example, first is table A, it shows the level of achievements. So if you look at the criteria, proficient, competent, acceptable, needs improvement, and unacceptable. And the gradings will correspond to these criteria. For being proficient, students need to earn 10 or more points, and that would give them a 90% or higher score for their 5% grade. Similarly, for competent, they need to earn 8 or 9 points. Similarly, 6 or 7 for acceptable, 4 to 5 for needs improvement, etc. Here is approximate point distribution for various events. This may be subject to change at certain point of time, but for the time being, these are the events which are listed. For example, to become an SAA officer, Student Accounting Association officer, you can earn 2 points. Or if you attend an accounting career day, you can get 1 point. If you attend the CMA chapter meeting, not just the membership, but attending the meeting, and if you do an internship, official internship, you get 2 points. And if you have got organized interview with a corporation, actual interview with a corporation, then you got 1 point. So there are various events, there are a list of events which you can attend to get those points. In addition, you will need to get documentation for showing that you have attended these events. That is basically an evidence that you have attended these events. So you'll have to keep track of both the events attended as well as the documentation that is there. This shows you where you can possibly get the documentation for those events. Then the following summary sheet will be filled up by the students. This basically lists the events that the students may have attempted or attended, and then evidence needs to be presented, and the points earned and the total points earned. So this sheet, completed sheet, along with the dates attended, along with the points and the evidence, will need to be uploaded onto the D2L Dropbox by all the students. So all the accounting majors who are attending Accounting 401. So hopefully this explains how this will take place, and you will get a file for uh, each one of them that will be uploaded by your instructor. So you'll have all these details on separate files in your 401 course, whoever the instructor for the 401 course is. Thank you very much.